Struggling with belly fat? Want a flat stomach in just 2 weeks? These 10 abs sculpting exercises will help you burn fat, tighten your core, and define your waistline fast. No gym, no excuses, just results. Let's do this. 1. Plank twists. Get into a strong plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, core tight. Now, twist your hips from side to side, bringing them close to the floor without touching it. Keep your abs engaged and move with control. Keep your back straight and engage your core to avoid sagging. Feel the burn? That's your waistline getting sculpted. Keep twisting, keep pushing. 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and lift your legs. Now, bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides in a pedaling motion, slow and controlled. Engage your core and twist from your waist, not just your elbows. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat and avoid pulling on your neck. Feel those obliques firing up? Keep pushing. Your strong, sculpted core is just a few reps away. 3. Leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands under your lower back for support. Now, lift your legs straight up toward the ceiling, then slowly lower them down without touching the floor. Keep your core tight and controlled. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat to avoid strain. Feel that lower belly burn? That's your abs getting stronger. Stay controlled, keep breathing, and push through. 4. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly lifted. Lean back slightly, keeping your core engaged. Now, twist your torso from side to side, tapping the floor beside you with each turn. Keep your movements controlled and your abs tight. Keep your back straight and move with control, no rushing. Feel that deep burn in your obliques? That's your waistline getting sculpted. Keep twisting, stay strong. 5. Mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and core engaged. Now, drive your knees toward your chest one at a time as if you're running in place. Keep a steady pace and don't let your hips rise too high. Keep your movements controlled. Speed up for cardio, slow down for core engagement. Push through the burn. The faster you go, the more fat you burn. Keep climbing. 6. Reverse crunches. Lie flat on your back with your legs bent at 90 degrees. Place your hands by your sides or under your lower back for support. Now, lift your hips off the ground by bringing your knees toward your chest, then slowly lower back down with control. Keep your core tight. Avoid using momentum. Focus on slow, controlled movements for maximum burn. Feel that squeeze in your lower abs? That's the secret to a toned, flat stomach. Stay focused and keep pushing. 7. Flutter kicks. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Place your hands under your lower back for support. Lift both legs a few inches off the ground and alternate small, quick kicks up and down. Keep your core tight and lower back pressed to the floor. Keep your movements small and controlled. Don't let your legs drop too low. That burn means it's working. Stay strong, stay consistent, and those abs will thank you. 8. Side planks. Lie on your side with your elbow directly under your shoulder. Stack your feet and lift your hips, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position while keeping your core engaged. For an extra challenge, raise your top arm or leg. Keep your hips lifted, don't let them sag. Engage your core for stability. Feel that side burn? That's your obliques getting sculpted. Stay strong and hold it. 9. Toe touches. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight up toward the ceiling. Reach your arms toward your toes and lift your upper body off the ground using your core. Lower back down slowly and repeat. Keep the movement controlled. No jerking. Focus on engaging your abs, don't strain your neck. Exhale as you reach up. Feel that burn in your upper abs? That's progress. Keep reaching, keep pushing. 10. Superman hold. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended in front of you. Now, lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously, engaging your core and lower back. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly lower back down. Keep your gaze slightly forward to avoid straining your neck. Squeeze your glutes and keep your movements controlled. No rushing. Feel yourself getting stronger? That's your core and back working together. Hold tight and power through. You made it. Feel that burn? That's your abs getting stronger. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and pair this workout with a healthy diet for the best results. Now, tell me in the comments, which exercise was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more killer workouts. See you in the next session. Let's keep crushing it.